crank no start. Hey guys, I need your help. This is a Daewoo liquid propane engine. It does not have a crank position sensor. It is a very old system. Everything is worn out as far as all the stamps on the metal here. All the fuses are good. It's got spark. They just put new spark plugs, cap and rotor on it, verified all that. It's got spark in all the cylinders. Everything is arranged correctly, so you know the order, the firing order is correct. I'm thinking it's the propane pressure regulator, which is this guy right here. I did not open the propane tank all the way. I know that there's an automatic shutoff valve. Everything is good in the connector between the propane and the fuel line hose, and we're just getting no propane into the engine. And I'm not familiar with these systems, so I don't want to spray starter fluid in there to see if anything starts. I'm not sure if that would even work considering how this engine is set up. But if anyone can help me out, let me give you a better view of what this is. If anyone can help me out, I'd really appreciate it. So, TikTok, do your thing.